Aul Mcdonald Had a Fairm is the first picture book that I wrote and illustrated, and I did it during lockdown for something to do. And I did it so that my daughter would have a connection to the Doric language, which is a language that my grandparents spoke, and who are no longer around. So I kind of did it to make sure she had that connection. The story follows the traditional song, and the farmer's a bit of an eccentric chiel. He gangs round visiting all the beasts, and so I thought it'd be a good way to get the Doric names of all the animals on the pages for educational purposes for the bairns. And hopefully it's quite funny and good fun for the bairns as well. He's getting up to a bit of mischief on each page with a different beast. So it was a great joy to do. The actual book itself, what I wanted to get across in the story was that Aul Mcdonald's farm is kind of like a big family. It's Aul Mcdonald's family, and he's surrounded by all these animals, and they've got their own personalities. And I wanted to make sure that the animals kind of had as muckle character about them as Aul Mcdonald did, and he interacts with them in his own way, and they sort of interact back, I suppose. And they each have their own relationship with Aul Mcdonald. And he definitely gets on better with some of them than others. For the bull, for example, he tries to knock him down until he's dope. And the Roberts is trying to cure his carrots, Ken, but he gets on great with some of the animals. His favourites is the coos. And he likes to go swimming in the morning with the jukes for his morning wash.